Hello everyone, my name is AKASH KOKNE. I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Spark Foundation. This is my third task of internship. In this task, I will explore and perform exploratory data analysis on Superstore dataset. Here I will see for the weak areas where there is a less profit and we'll see how to overcome it. So let's start. First, I have import useful libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, and avoid the future warnings, import warnings. Then load the dataset and store it in the df variable. Then check the shape of the dataset, and it contains 9994 rows and 13 columns. Then check the names of the columns in our dataset. Then view the information of the dataset like index, data type, non-null entries, and column names. Then view the statistical information of the dataset, and this dataset gives the good picture of distribution of the data. Then check the missing values in our dataset, and we can see that there is a no null values over entire data. Then check the unique values for the category, which are furniture, office supplies, and technology. Then check the unique values for the states, and there are 49 states in the dataset. Similarly, check the unique values for the subcategories, and there are 17 subcategories. Now check the count plots for the counts for the region, categories, subcategories, and segments. Now let's divide the overall data to draw some more accurate conclusions and meaningful information. For that, create a new data set where data is negative, means loss, and concentrate on their areas to improvement. Now create a loss DOP data set with all the features where profit is less than 0. Then check the shape of the dataset and statistical information of the loss DOP dataset. Now calculate the total loss for this dataset, and total loss is $1,56,000. Then group the segment, and we can see that consumer segment has more discount but less losses. Now group the subcategories and check for the sales and profit, and we can see that binders, furnitures, and tables categories has more losses as compared to the other subcategories. Then count for the subcategories. Now group the cities and check the sales and profit of cities, and we can see that top 10 cities where loss is very high. Now sorts the value of the sales and categories, and we can see that technology category has more loss. Then group the states and salaries, and we can see that top 10 states where sale is very less. Now check the segment, and we can see that consumer segment has less sales but profit is highest. So if we improve the sale of this segment by the advertisement, definitely this segment improves the profit. Now group the regions and check which region has less profit or sale, and we can see that south region has less sales as compared to the other. Now start the data visualization, and first we check the bar plot between the subcategories and sales for the loss DOP dataset, and we can see that fasteners, appliances, and uh, furnitures and also accessories has very low sale. Then for the main overall data set, plot the bar plot between subcategories and sales, and we can see that subcategories like fasteners, labels, furnishings, arts, paper, envelope, these subcategories has very less sales and need to improvement for the business. Then check the bar plot for the discount and subcategories. Similarly, plot the bar plot for ship mode and salaries, and we can see that sale is high if ship mode is in the standard class, and sale is very low if ship mode is in the second class or same day. Then check the count plot for the segment, and we can see that home office has very low count. Then check the count plot for the categories, and we can see that technology category has very less count. Then check the count plot for the subcategories, and we can see that copiers and machines subcategories are very less count and need to improvement for the better business. Then check the count plot for the region, and here we can see that south region has need to improvement compared to other. Then plot the line plot for the profit and discount, and we can see that for the discount of the 0.5 there is a minus 300 profit, that is loss. Now check the relationship for the each attributes using the pair plot for the region. Similarly, pair plot for the category and subcategory. Now finally, check the correlation for the each attributes in our dataset, and we can see that sale and profit has a good correlationship, and discount and profit has a negative correlationship. Now from this exploratory data analysis of the superstores, we found some conclusions, and first is main reason which leads to loss is discount, as if some areas leads to loss due to the more discount and some areas leads to less sales due to the less discount, hence it needs to improvement. Second conclusion is it is better to give more discount during the festival seasons so that more sales are made. Third conclusion is home office segment needs to better improvement, and final conclusion is some cities has less sales, it may too due to the lack of awareness, so do the advertisement in these cities will lead to sales. Hence as a business manager, I have find out the weak areas where I can work to more profit. Thank you.